Sunday slow ride with the boss.
Woohoo! Hindi ko nila ako motor pero basta ara ang boss. Exempted. Yeah. Utakis. Hi! No fit. River crossing pero kakusog ang current. Misyon! Baw baw! Baw! Op! Dumakakasgo! Mamam ton! Woo! Woohoo! Guy! Expert! New recruit. Woohoo! 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 Yoo-hoo! 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 Morning! Woo! Yeah. What is that? Karami, good. Nakato sa tiil ko ba? Shit. Thank you sa tubo ha. Ang utod ko, ng ati kalon. Tindog be, tindog be. Tindog be. Ayay. Nasa shore ka no eh. Wop wop.
Susuka lang, hindi susuko. Ayayay!
De. Downhill da. Op. Sipo. Gane. Saan mo stand ay? Ako na lang. Ha? Ge dire. Videoan ako. Sige. Marian ko! Video. Ako muna. Oh, hindi na. Huwag pa minali ka. Takbo ko.
unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower.
Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make it easy, no. Wish I could be there for you. Give me a reason to. Oh, every time I'm walking out, I can hear you telling me to turn around. Fighting for my trust and you won't back down. Even if we gotta risk it all right now. I know you're scared of the unknown. You don't wanna be alone. I know I always come and go, but it's out of my control. And you'll be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. I think your love would be too much, or you'll be left in the dust unless I stuck by you. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower.